In this lecture, we will learn about using like operators in SQL statement. The like operator is used with where clause to search for a specific pattern in a string. The string pattern contains wildcard characters which represent missing characters. The like operator is written as a word like followed by a pattern to match with column values. Here are some examples of like operators in SQL statements. Here the percentage sign is a wildcard character. We will learn more about wildcard character in separate lecture. Let's learn about like operator with some practical examples. I have logged in my MySQL database server and I'll select the school database and display all the records from students table using SQL statement. Select star from students. Now I'll filter the data rows and get only the students whose first name starts with the letters J-O. So the SQL statement will be select star from students where first name like inside single quote capital J and small o and wildcard percentage and complete single quote and semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. Here the percentage sign is a wildcard character, that is any missing character after letters J-O. I'll press enter to execute the statement and we get all the students whose first name starts with the letter J-O. I'll select company database and run SQL statement to display all the records from employees table. Now I'll filter the data rows and get only the employees whose name ends with the alphabet S. The SQL statement is select star from employees where name like in single quote percentage and S small s semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. I'll press enter to execute the SQL statement and we get all the employees whose name ends with the alphabet S. Let's select online shop database and display all the records from customers table. Now we will filter the data rows and get only the customer whose name contains alphabet U. The SQL statement will be select star from customers where name like percent small u percent single quote complete semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. I'll press enter to execute the SQL statement and we get all the customers having alphabet U in their names. We can also revert the above SQL statement by using not operator. I'll press upper arrow key to get the previously executed SQL statement, and this time after name I will use not. It means that we'll get all the customer who does not have alphabet U in their names. I'll press enter to execute the SQL statement, and sure enough, this time we get all the customer who does not have alphabet U in their names.